Hi! Today we'll do a quick review for the Rapoo 3510 Plus Wireless Mouse. What's unique about the Plus version is that it's covered with fabric, which we will discuss soon after. Just to note, these three mice were delivered free of charge by Rapoo themselves. Immediately it's hard not to notice the unique look, which I only suppose is the main selling point for this product. I was worried that the fabric would be of low quality and just feel off when using, but I was wrong. After using this mouse for around 2 weeks, the fabric hasn't degraded in any way, shape or form, and the actual feeling from using the mouse is positive, well, for the most part. I didn't have any gripes whilst using it for browsing the internet, and that's where I'd recommend this mouse, because once I started doing more advanced stuff like gaming, that's where some of the issues came up. This mouse can be unresponsive at times, just like most of the wireless mice out on the market, but you will only notice it if you use it for gaming or some other advanced stuff. Another thing worth mentioning is the cap under which the battery is stationed at. Removing it feels odd, but you get used to it after a couple of tries. Just don't break it and stay civilized when removing it. In conclusion, if you're looking for an easily accessible wireless mouse for doing regular internet browsing or work on your computer, then this could be the one for you. Just be sure to purchase some extra batteries in case you run out. If you think the fabric isn't suited for your personal taste, then you could look into their original 3510 series, which stick with the more traditional design. If you do end up buying this mouse, come back later and leave your verdict in the comments for others to see. Thanks for watching, and until next time.